So good day, Ma'am MJ. So this is my output. So here we have here our logo and the header itself. So SMC and the logo and the student profile, which is the student profile and the biography. So we have here our components. Three of it is my components. So first, let's hop on to the app GSX. So here, as you can see, we have here our info. So this is our parent, which holds the app and the child itself. So here we have here our student info and biography. Um, so let me explain. So basically, the purpose of props is it passes the information given here. So also the props is immutable. So it will not be edited once it is not being edited here. So it only needs to be edited here. So in the app. So let's begin. So we have here our imports here from the header, student, student info, and the biography. So we have here three, and also the CSS also. So function up. So that this is our parent. So return, div class name, containers here. I mean whole or here. So student info. So my name, my course, year, and school. So let's begin to the student info. So we have here our my student info. So we use function as always in order to access the props and the card, which is here the container itself. But I name it as for the class as card. So student profile div strong, which is the highlighted name, which is a strong. So name, course, year level. So that is the strong. Then the props itself is the one receives the info given from the app itself. So this is it. This is my info. So it doesn't have a band. So my choice from this IT and fourth year. So the- next, let's go for the to the header. So we have here a my logo. So SMC logo. I mean the SMC logo. Eh, Then so if you have a question, why is it that there is no a prop? So basically, the header itself or the logo itself is static. So since um, we have here a SMC logo PNG, so and export header, so it is already static. Yes, we export and imported here. So import. That's why that's why it is static. So next for the biography. So here, as you can see, we have a function as always and return and div card similar to the student info, and we use this prop. So since we have a info a that's not that's a editable or but in here it's immutable since we have here props, but in app so we can edit our biography here or my biography here. So p p for the paragraph. So props bio the p div and export as always after the curly braces. And also yeah, every after the curly. So here as you can see my biography. I am and this is it. This is and also let's up on to the CSS. So here as you can see the body, which is mainly the whole font family I uses background black, Arial and sunset, the min height, and the container, which is the whole, but um, logo. I'm using a radius circle since a the photo itself is box. It's not editable as of now. And header H1 SMC. So uppercase, as you can see uppercase. Then the card itself is which is the container, and the H2. You can see here we have your H2, the profile, the info given, then the card H3, which is the biography, and for the card P, this is the card P, the information given, or my biography itself, then the card strong, and that's it. That's it. And wait, and that's it. No, thank you. So this is my final output, and that's it.